There are lots of wonderful birds, so please, in turn, call them out to you go on. Somebody else, please. Chaffinch. Now, if you watch the chaffinch, when it goes up and down the branch, it also is like a bit of an acrobatics, and I'll show you exactly what it does. Magpie, you're watching the television program.
Tony was actually a television presenter on the program of Magpie. I don't know if you remember it, but he was on there a lot.
Somebody from
I see.
A cuckoo.
That's his first sign of spring, or so they say. Somebody else up there? Robin.
Hey! Hey! Seagull.
Make sure you spot him before he spots you. A wren. Curlew. That's a beautiful sounding bird, a curlew.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Good day.
Song
Hey, good.
a jackdaw. You asked for an owl. What type of owl would you like? A tawny owl? Someone else? Sorry? Yeah. Duck. 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 Duck.
Very good.
Somebody else? A crow.
Flamingo.
Parrot. A dead one. Well, actual fact, all birds make sounds. You know, being perfectly, or one that's asleep doesn't make any sound.
But they've all got distinctive sounds.
They've all got distinctive sounds. Even the sparrows, you get 3 lots of sparrows over here. You get a normal household sparrow or domestic sparrow. Get a tree sparrow. And you have what is known as the dunnock or hedge sparrow, and he goes.
How long does it take you to memorise a sound, a bird sound?
Not very long, but I've been doing it since I was a little boy. Been doing since I was about 4 or 5, and you learn them after a while. Even the American birds, you see, you get I've done a British or European robin. An American robin is completely different. It's like this. Sounds Charlie, somebody else over there. I've got some fans over there. Give a big round of applause. Pretty much the arm, I have a little block there as a